learn an application and services initially, and how long it took for you to learn the system and services? Well, yeah, in the current, I did not have a chance to learn an application at least 3 months, because I was given responsibility to provide the day-to-day support and the infrastructure management and current deployment for all the application and services. At least I think I will say like the 13 application, and there is the application, there is the front end, there is back end, there is middleware. So I did not have any chance. They are existing application. So I was actually looking through the existing documentation, and then but while I was actually supporting all the backend services, I was receiving so many tickets, like the user is having these issues, that issues. I'm sorry, I cannot just tell you all the details because it's confidential. But then I started actually looking documentation of that service documentation, architecture documentation. I was started reading how this application worked myself in the offline again. So I was trying to be productive, so I can actually respond some of the ticket. So I actually set up some meeting with the QA, just get to know how this application work. And then they actually give me the access permission of some of the test cases, some of the APIs, and some of the test data, because I didn't know how to set up the test data, because that was not my responsibility. Actually, they helped me very well. And the developer actually helped me tremendously, because they're working for a while. They know all the tips and tricks, all the back and forth. So the challenge was just get to know the services, because the ticket was coming and I was just blindly just following and doing the fixing it. And once I involved myself, it helped me. I would say the 4th month, I actually learned some of the application services very well. And I was able to respond an email, even operation team, explaining very details, including the screenshot. And they were surprised, because now I become kind of the application SME.